If you've just installed Linux Mint 22.3, congratulations. You now have one of the most user-friendly, stable, and polished Linux distributions available today. Linux Mint has built a strong reputation for providing a familiar desktop experience, excellent performance, and a focus on simplicity. But after the installation is complete and you reach the desktop for the first time, there are several important things you should do to get the best experience possible. These steps will help improve security, performance, compatibility, customization, and overall usability. The first thing you should do after installing Linux Mint 22.3 is update your system. Even though the installation image includes a recent snapshot of software, newer updates are often available by the time you finish installing. Open the Update Manager from the System tray and refresh the package list. Install all available updates, including security patches, bug fixes, and application updates. Linux Mint's update process is straightforward and safe, making it one of the easiest Linux distributions to maintain. Keeping your system updated ensures you have the latest improvements, hardware support, and security protections. Once updates are complete, it's a good idea to configure your backup system. Linux Mint includes a powerful tool called Timeshift. This application creates system snapshots that allow you to restore your computer if something goes wrong later. Think of it as a safety net for your operating system. If an update causes issues or you accidentally break something while experimenting, Timeshift can roll your system back to a previous working state. Set up automatic snapshots and choose a storage location with sufficient space. This simple step can save hours of troubleshooting in the future. The next thing you should check is your drivers. Linux Mint usually detects hardware automatically, but some devices, especially NVIDIA graphics cards, may require proprietary drivers for optimal performance. Open Driver Manager and allow it to scan your system. If proprietary drivers are recommended, install them and reboot your computer. Proper drivers can significantly improve gaming performance, video playback, power efficiency, and overall system stability. For many users, this is one of the most important post-installation tasks. After your drivers are installed, take some time to explore the system settings and personalize your desktop. Linux Mint's Cinnamon desktop is highly customizable. You can change themes, icons, fonts, panel layouts, and desktop backgrounds. Choose a theme that suits your style and adjust interface scaling if needed. Personalization may seem like a cosmetic change, but it makes your computer feel more comfortable and productive to use every day. Linux Mint offers a balance between flexibility and simplicity, allowing you to customize your environment without becoming overwhelmed. Another important step is enabling multimedia support. Linux Mint typically offers multimedia codecs during installation, but it's worth verifying everything is installed correctly. Multimedia codecs allow your system to play various video, audio, and streaming formats. Without them, certain media files may not work properly. Open a few videos and music files to test playback. If anything is missing, install the necessary codec packages through the software manager. Having full multimedia support ensures a smooth experience whether you're watching videos, listening to music, or participating in online meetings. Speaking of software, one of the most exciting parts of setting up a new Linux system is installing your favorite applications. Linux Mint includes many useful programs by default, but you may want additional tools. Open Software Manager and browse the available applications. Install a modern web browser if you prefer something different from the default option. Consider adding communication apps, office software, media editors, development tools, and productivity utilities. Linux Mint's software repositories contain thousands of reliable applications that can be installed with just a few clicks. Many users also benefit from enabling Flatpak support and exploring FlatHub. Flatpak provides access to a large collection of modern applications that may not be available in traditional repositories. Linux Mint has excellent Flatpak integration, making installation and updates simple. FlatHub includes popular applications such as Discord, OBS Studio, Spotify, Steam, Visual Studio Code, and many others. This greatly expands the software ecosystem available on your system while maintaining security through sandboxing technologies. The next step is optimizing your web browser experience. Most people spend a significant amount of time online, so browser configuration matters. Install your preferred extensions, enable password synchronization, and import bookmarks if necessary. Consider adding privacy-focused extensions that block trackers and unwanted advertisements. Configure browser security settings according to your needs and enable account synchronization for convenient access across multiple devices. A properly configured browser improves productivity and enhances online privacy. Security should always be a priority, and Linux Mint offers several built-in features to help protect your system. One of the first things you should review is the firewall. Open the Firewall Configuration tool and enable it if it isn't already active. While Linux is generally secure by design, a firewall adds another layer of protection against unwanted network connections. Most users can safely use the default settings without making complicated adjustments. This simple action strengthens system security with minimal effort. Another valuable task is configuring power management settings. Whether you're using a desktop or laptop, proper power settings can improve performance and battery life. Open Power Management and review options for screen dimming, sleep behavior, lid close actions, and energy-saving modes. Laptop users in particular can benefit from optimizing these settings to maximize battery runtime. Small adjustments can make a noticeable difference during daily use. File organization is another area worth addressing early. Create folders for documents, downloads, projects, photos, videos, and backups. Establishing a clean organizational structure from the beginning helps prevent clutter later. Linux Mint's File Manager, Nemo, provides powerful file management features while remaining easy to use. Consider configuring bookmarks for frequently accessed locations and network shares. A well-organized system improves workflow efficiency and makes files easier to locate. If you plan to use Linux Mint for gaming, this is the perfect time to prepare your system. Install Steam and enable Proton compatibility if you want to play Windows games on Linux. Proton has transformed Linux gaming, allowing thousands of Windows titles to run with little or no modification. You may also want to install game launchers, controller support packages, and graphics utilities depending on your hardware. Modern Linux gaming has improved dramatically, and Linux Mint provides an excellent platform for both casual and serious gamers. For users who work remotely or collaborate online, setting up cloud storage services is highly recommended. Whether you use Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Nextcloud, or another provider, configuring cloud synchronization early helps keep important files accessible and backed up. Cloud integration can simplify workflows, improve collaboration, and provide additional protection against data loss. Many Linux-compatible tools are available to make synchronization seamless. Another useful improvement involves keyboard shortcuts and workspace management. Linux Mint allows extensive customization of keyboard shortcuts for launching applications, switching windows, controlling media, and managing workspaces. Learning a few essential shortcuts can significantly increase productivity. Virtual workspaces are especially useful for organizing different tasks and reducing desktop clutter. Many experienced Linux users rely heavily on these features to maintain efficient workflows. Privacy-conscious users should also review system privacy settings. Examine application permissions, crash reporting preferences, and data sharing options. Linux Mint is already privacy-friendly compared to many commercial operating systems, but it's always worth understanding what information is being shared and how system features are configured. Taking a few minutes to review these settings can provide greater peace of mind. Terminal enthusiasts may want to install additional command line tools and customize their shell environment. Utilities such as atop, neofetch, curl, wet, git, and tmux can be incredibly useful for system administration and development tasks. Even if you're not an advanced user, learning a few basic terminal commands can enhance your Linux experience and give you greater control over your system. It's also a good idea to test your hardware thoroughly after installation. Check your audio devices, microphone, webcam, Bluetooth connections, Wi-Fi performance, printers, and external storage devices. Verifying everything works properly early allows you to identify and address issues before they become frustrating. Linux Mint generally offers excellent hardware compatibility, but testing ensures your specific setup is functioning as expected. One often overlooked step is learning about Linux Mint's built-in tools. Applications such as System Reports, Update Manager, Driver Manager, Timeshift, Software Manager, and System Settings are designed to simplify maintenance and troubleshooting. Spending some time exploring these utilities helps you become more comfortable with the operating system and enables you to solve problems more effectively when they arise. Finally, perhaps the most important thing to do after installing Linux Mint 22.3 is simply start using it. Explore applications, experiment with settings, learn new workflows, and enjoy the flexibility Linux offers. One of Linux Mint's greatest strengths is that it accommodates both beginners and experienced users. You can keep things simple and productive, or dive deeper into customization and advanced features as your confidence grows. By updating your system, creating backups with Timeshift, installing proper drivers, enabling multimedia support, adding essential software, exploring Flatpak applications, configuring security settings, optimizing power management, organizing files, preparing for gaming, setting up cloud services, customizing shortcuts, reviewing privacy settings, testing hardware, and learning the built-in tools, you'll transform a fresh Linux Mint 22.3 installation into a secure, efficient, and personalized computing environment. These essential steps ensure your system is ready for work, entertainment, creativity, and everything in between, giving you the best possible start with one of the most popular Linux distributions available today.